Greetings, app enthusiasts. Justin Z here with a review of the LogMeIn app for the iPad. You can see more about this app at the website below. LogMeIn is a remote app that allows you to control your computer wirelessly from your iPad. Pretty much everything you can do on your computer you can do on the iPad. The app starts with a login screen, which implies that you need to be a part of the LogMeIn website. You go to logmein.com, sign up for an account, install the necessary software for your computer, and you're pretty much set. The directions for the setup are pretty straightforward. Once you have logged into your account on the iPad, you will have direct access to your computer. The process in using your computer takes some getting used to. You will notice a small blue mouse icon on the iPad screen. The icon will follow your finger movements and act as your mouse. In order to input text, you have to double press the section on the iPad. Triple press to highlight the text. To use the functions your right button on your mouse would use, you press the right button on the mouse icon. This can be a little difficult considering the mouse icon is pretty small, but the app is pretty accurate. To use the keypad, press the keyboard screen at the bottom of the app. Every key, including function keys, are available, and they work in a way when you press a certain function key such as Control, the button will stay highlighted, indicating you are still pressing that button. This comes in handy for multitasking and hotkeys, which work normally with the app. You will also use double tap to drag windows, scroll the program up or down, and highlight a certain area. The program is practical and has the potential to be very powerful. For now, the program reacts on your iPad relatively slow, but reacts on your computer perfectly. For example, scrolling a page and moving windows around are pretty much instant, but moving images on a web page did not translate well on an iPad. Basically, it's not meant for use if you need to play back a video, but it has a lot of other potential abilities. My guess is the best way to use this app is if you are in a tight situation. An example might be if you forgot to bring a PowerPoint presentation with you to work. You can access the program from your iPad with relative speed and ease, and it can save the day. At a price point of $29.99, it might be worth it if you really need it, but otherwise the price is debatable. I really like this app, and I felt it could have some fair use for people who really need it, but it still has a ways to go before it reaches perfection. I give the LogMeIn app for the iPad a 3.5 out of 5.